Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an external Google Calendar to your Wix website. This is incredibly useful if you want to display your schedule, events, or appointments directly on your site, making it easy for visitors to stay updated with your availability. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear with several options for managing your website. From this drop-down, you can preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to make sure that this is indeed the website where you want to add your external Google Calendar. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you've selected the correct one before moving forward. On this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to customizing and editing the visual elements of your Wix website. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens in terms of design and layout. From here, start by locating the Add Apps button from the left navigation menu and click on it. This opens up a whole world of possibilities for integrating third-party tools into your site. The menu will expand, and from here you'll see various types of apps you can use to integrate with your Wix website. Now locate the search bar and type in Google Calendar. Click on the app when it appears, and you'll be directed to the app's overview page. Take a moment to read through all the app's features and user reviews to make sure it fits your needs. Once you're ready, click on Add to Site. A small window will appear asking for app permissions. Once you've agreed to the terms, click on Agree and Add. This might take a bit while the installation completes, so be patient while the app is being added to your website. Once the installation has finished, open a new window tab and head to your Google Calendar. Look for your calendar embed code and copy it. This code is what links your Google Calendar to your Wix site, so make sure you've copied it correctly. Once copied, head back to your Wix website editor and click on Add Elements. From here, look for the App Widget section and simply drag the Google Calendar widget to your website canvas. Position it wherever you'd like it to appear on your page. Now click on the element and select the Google Calendar connector. Then enter the embed code or calendar URL for the calendar you wish to add to your Wix website. This step connects your external Google Calendar directly to your site, allowing it to display live updates. And there you have it, your external Google Calendar is now successfully integrated into your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.